Hey guys, Dave here. Today, I'll show you how to install those beautiful Tecoom Mud Flaps. Stay tuned. So this is what the kit came with. Here we have, they're clearly marked. Left hand rear, got left hand front, right hand rear, right hand front. Pretty nice quality. It's hard to get such bad glare with the sun, but that's nice thick. That's solid there. So we had the tires. We got the tires. We just don't have the flaps. So if you're into aggressive tire, anything that'll pick up rocks, you definitely need it, or you're going to damage your paint. See here. Get up over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here. We're going to remove these little guards here that came from the factory. We're going to put them mud flaps on. So let's get them on and get this thing squared away. I'm excited for these. So let's get to it. All right. So it looks like what we're going to start off with is 8mm ratchet. We're going to try and do this without taking the wheel off. 8mm ratchet to get out the factory bolts. So we're going to reuse our factory hardware here. Now you don't have to use one of these. You just use your 8mm socket, wrench. Nice and flush. Alright, here is our back. Once again, our 8mm. If these broke loose, we should be able to do them by hand. Pull the socket off. Oh, we got some star bits. Let me get that. Now I got a Torx 15. It's probably a 20. Now the trick, you'll feel it once you get up there. You gotta squeeze that together. Okay. I like. Alright, we're going to finger tight these. Now you just want to snug these so you don't strip out your little nuts back there.